found it. Yep. Tier 5. Naga Demon. Okay, so this one will get eventual. This one or this one? No, this already have it. So this one. This Naga, Elemental Naga, Naga. Okay. Okay, what is everyone playing? Naga, Beast, Naga, Naga, Demon. I'm playing Naga. I don't know. I want to play Naga. I actually wanted to play Dragon. Okay, but we are having so many spells. Down. Banana, so tempting. I will regret this. I'm all ready. Okay, I will stick with dragons and we will see. Even if we have so many good tribes. I'm jealous. There is banana and mama bear. And I left banana in the shop. I feel horrible. I feel just horrible. But I had like 0 bees and it was like 0 bees in the shop. So, yeah. Horrible order. Horrible. Okay, 1 refresh for golden monkey again. I think I should level. I can't die, so... Okay, I will level, I will refresh, and I believe I will have Caligos there. I believe. believe, because there is 2 battle cries, dragons. It will be good setup. Okay, I will lose 15 here, but still will got 7. Very weak. Do you believe in Caligos, guys, that it will be there actually? Okay. Okay, I'm not that freaking weak actually. Right? We will tie. Nice. Nice, not getting 15. Bring tight. Okay, guys, are you ready for Caligos? No! Why? 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 I don't agree with this. No Caligos, but okay, we got this dragon, which is also good. Two tier 6s, no Caligos, but there is another one in the shop, so maybe this time. Maybe this time. At least game is working again, guys. Yeah. I'm half asleep and my play is so bad, but I go to bed with a smile on my face. That's so sweet, Brain. That's so sweet. I'm glad. I'm glad. It was lovely today. Have a great sleep. Yeah. Have a great sleep. I will see you soon. That's cute. Music stopped. No, my god. Huge lava lurker. Can I leave, please? So we can try 3rd time to go for Caligos. So I can die with it. Okay, alive. Triple. Caligos